Hello guys, today I was just filming my, yearly episode of this career mode, and I'm at the Aston Villa game that I'm about to show you, right? I'm 2-0 up, okay? In the, in the 78th minute, or something like that, right? My footage cuts out, and my PC cuts out, because it cut out, and then I decided to, I just turned off my game because I was kind of angry because I've had a bit of problems with my PC lately. So I decided to turn it off. I had to redo it. And I didn't play, I actually simulated it. So I did win 2-0. But it's just annoying. Because, like, it's just not. I don't want it to look like I cheat in this game. Because I don't cheat. Like, I don't cheat in this video game. Like, why would I cheat? I can't gain anything from cheating. Oh, what a goal by Asensio. But I think it's just annoying. But I did get Casemiro. I did end up with Casemiro. Now, I think I can't redo it again. I'm not very happy with my, I love this career mode. It's just, I've had so many problems filming this. Now, I've actually had a genius idea. Okay, I'm getting yelled. These people, I wish I could archive these. I actually have a genius idea that I thought of. What if, instead of Tielemans, who is alright in this game, what if I swapped him for Valverde? And I was just thinking to myself, that could be really overpowered, because I have a right winger, a cam, a right midfielder, a left winger if I really wanted to, and it would just work. And I think it just works. If that makes sense. And it wouldn't be a straight, I think it might have to be a straight swap, which they probably won't do. I don't think I can sell him, yeah. So I can realistically swap them. But I have to find some way for it to work. But I think that's just a thinking. Like, that would be brilliant. But I don't know how to do it, so I don't know why so yeah. That idea popped in my head. Maybe it's a next season thing, but I think that's just brilliant. I think that's a brilliant idea. I mean, obviously I do, because I thought of it, but I think that works. I don't know how you guys would feel on it. I want you to comment down below. Because I think that would be really cool. Like, I've never used them in any career mode. I think it just makes sense. A little bit. But yeah, that was my little thinking process. And now we're going to go against West Ham at home, who are probably one of the best teams in the league. And also every single game that you see right here. The Wolves game, and all those 5 games after the Legia Warsaw one, those are all simmed. I did not play any of them because I wanted it to be a little fair. But yeah. So we'll be playing West Ham at home, which it's gonna be a tough match because it is West Ham, right? Let's go. Get to it. I'm trying to find a good. Is there any games still on? What? No, I don't want to watch it in Spanish. Why would I want to watch Real Madrid versus Leipzig in Spanish? Please tell me this game hasn't ended. It hasn't. Okay, yeah, PSG are winning 3-1. I don't know, maybe I just thought, oh my god, do it. Chelsea, you're still going on? Yes, no, maybe so. It was 1-1 last time I checked up on it. It looks like Broha just missed a sitter. Rated all, move. Move. This is plus 4. I'm winning. Second half, that's an interesting match. West Ham, second in the league, we're third in the league. We win, we go second. That would be brilliant, wouldn't it? That would be pretty good since last season. Well, not in this career mode, but in real life, we finished 6th. But there's going to be a lot of sim games in this first season. Because I feel like second is a bit unrealistic. I think third's not that unrealistic. Because I'm not saying I think this will happen, but I won't be surprised if it's Man City, Arsenal, Man United. It probably won't be, but it wouldn't be like a shock. Here we go, Casemiro. He's been brilliant so far. Anthony, just sit down. Anthony, just sit down. Oh, it nearly worked. Anthony and Dallo in real life work. Not in this career mode though. I actually slowed him down. History beckons Michael Antonio. Yeah. Dallo. Great ball to Dallo. Keeper's not come out for that. Because he didn't have to. It's already gone out. Come on, Salzburg. Survive against Chelsea. It's just Chelsea. Oh no. I think that's Chelsea's most common goal. Just that cross. Like goes straight across the box. But here we go, Anthony. Now give me an idea here. Anthony, into the middle. And Rashford misses it. Antonio. Vlasic. Good job. You can beat him, man. You can beat him. Spin him out. Get him out of the game. Rashford! Oh, he didn't even jump for it. Bruno. To Anthony. He does brilliantly again. Sancho! Vlasic. I don't know what that was, Dawson. If we could raise this, we're not going to be able to one man press. Rashford. Well, he's offside. Okay, so Chelsea drew. Sterling doesn't look too happy. Well, this game probably stops. Yeah, let's hope. Has it? No, it hasn't. Okay, Chelsea, Juventus Benfica is still going. I think Benfica are winning. Get a little Champions League watch along. Michael Antonio. Oh no. Oh my god, that was not who I wanted to give it to. And Benfica won. David Neres, it's so good to see him back. I missed him. Wait, when he went to Shakhtar Donetsk. Like, he would have stayed if it wasn't for the war. I'm not saying the war's a good thing, though. Sancho in the middle. Malacia. Oh, he won it. Milik scored. And then, okay. Neres did score. Okay, that's good. I love Neres. I love David Neres. That's a foul. Yellow card. That's not realistic. Please only this game still. Varane. This gotta be offside. It is. It is offside. Okay, yeah. It is offside. I was about to say. There's no way that's not offside. Here's, okay, Lissandro. It's so good in real life. We're through. Rashford. Does he miss these? Against Arsenal, he doesn't. Against West Ham, he does. Come on, that's gotta be a foul. I thought he was a red at first. I wasn't really looking, and then I just saw him slow down. I mean, Rashford, man, you gotta score that. Oh, Sancho's in. Jadon Sancho. Sancho. Oh my god, Sancho! He's shocking. That's shocking. He missed another try. What is he doing? Oh my god, Sancho. Good job with Sancho Martinez. Yeah. Sancho did the Neymar thing. Rashford's there. Really crossing it for someone that's not going to head over. Rashford. Oh, nice. I don't know why I'm crossing it for Rashford. I mean, he's gonna win one header in 50, so I'm gonna switch him. Oh, yeah, I'll put Ronaldo in. Give Ronaldo a go. Tielemans out wide. Sancho. Sancho, yeah. I don't know. I usually do that off kickoffs. I genuinely no idea why I do it. It works like 1 in 10 times. And when it does work, I always miss. So I just look like an idiot. Oh, what a save. What a save by De Gea. He's kept us in this game for that save. It's coming out to me. Gave him his correct number, by the way. Suchek's open. I don't think there's handballs in this. We're all good. Ronaldo. Anthony. Oh, he saved it! How has he saved it? Okay, that's got to be an Anthony problem. It's really not. I mean, it's not a good finish, but it wasn't terrible. Wait, what? Oh my god. I should have shot with a banana. I didn't think he'd win it, actually. Ronaldo. That's offside, I think. It's not. Too much on it. Good idea. Too much. Ronaldo. Probably gonna leave. Probably should sell it, but I'm not gonna sell him. On Tielemans. There you go. Anthony. Bruno still has that. Okay. Ronaldo! 1-0 Manchester United. 1-0 Ronaldo. Yeah, there we go. That's it. What? That's a good goal. Sancho. I saw he was open. He got away from Zuma. You're not saving that, man. You're not saving that. Areola may have saved the other one, but you're not saving that. Ronaldo gets another goal. Here we go, defend. It's just like the real life one, man. You get a really lucky goal. I mean, it's not lucky, it's a good goal. But you get a goal, you just defend, man. Casemiro. This could be a goal. Could be a goal. Anthony. Anthony here. He's all by himself. Actually quite well there. Set quite well again. Here we go. Jadon Sancho. Free on the left-hand side. Jadon Sancho! Straight down Areola. I'm actually going to take Anthony off. Had a good game now. Actually, we are still missing, I think, after that, I think Ericsson's going to go in for 2 minutes. I'm out? Oh, yeah, okay. I think I still do need a winger. I just don't, I don't know who to buy. Oh, no, Alanga, I have Alanga. I'm not an idiot. Bruno. I mean, not a good pass, but it would have worked if it was a good pass. Throw in. That That's a good tackle, man. As long as you don't get a red, that's a good tackle. Slow him down. Martial's on. Van de Beek's on. Martial's just gonna settle the nerves a bit. Just gonna settle the nerves. Martial. Oh. Didn't really want Martial to run that much. I just wanted to drop in, get the ball, maybe give it to Ronaldo. Suchek, Bowen. Tielemans, brilliant. Let's go by Tielemans. Good cross. Ronaldo! Oh my god. Right now, 1-0. Defend it. Defend it, man. Defend it. Bowen. Good job. Look at Tielemans. I mean Tielemans. Oh, no. Never gonna win a race. Oh no, that's a shocking tackle. They both have yellows, that's really not good. But we will be no Brexit football today. What are you doing, Tielemans? Get out of the way, man. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way, Tielemans, man. You could have cost us a goal there because you didn't get out the way, you twat. How has he not scored? I mean, like, be one of those terrible corners. Oh. Yes, Tielemans. Let us go. Oh, you would have scored there. 200%. Individual number 1. Yeah. Oh, yes, I want to see this goal again. Just the statistics of this goal. Bruno. Sancho, I mean, he gets away from it. Good goal. That is what I like to call a Man United win to go into second place. Maguire. I got an offer for him. I'm not gonna sell him because it doesn't seem right. 70 as for the players 53. Alright, it's a Fulham game. Fulham are in the league. Yeah, they're our Premier League side. Garner, gone. Real life is gone. Sorry, mate. Yeah. He's not very good at FIFA, so. We are going to be using the second team in the Emirates FA Cup. We win 2-0. Garnacho and Iqbal. Love to see that. Love to see that. They're probably getting their first goals of their career. How have they broken? Oh, because they're a championship side. Please get another offer for him. But we are finishing off deadline day. 98 million I had to pay for Casemiro. Jeez. Too much money. Too much money. We got a Shaw. Inigo. Not just, I really don't like Shaw in this game. Real Madrid, I think they bought someone. Juventus, who will be in the next game. Thank God. Oh my God, they bought from Tottenham. They had to have bought from Tottenham. They bought from Barca. I literally transferred him to Tottenham. Maybe it was a loan. Yeah, I don't know. Did I send me here? No, I didn't, right? João Pedro's gone to Ajax. That's actually not unrealistic, and that's good for him. I don't think I'll be doing any deals. I want to see what Neres is rated as. David Neres. He's in the game. And then there's one other person I want to add, just in case, future, you never know. Nkunku, maybe next year. But the good thing about next year is I know we will not be getting 800 million as our transfer budget, because I've actually bought people. Who's Caceres Jr.? But I swear if we got an offer. That's helpful. Thank you, Levante. That's really helpful. I don't want to win the league in the first season. Like, I don't want to. Like, stop giving me offers. I mean, to leave. I did. Okay. Do this. I don't want to win the league. Then there's no point for the series. No point because it's over. I mean, I'm gonna have to go ham on these uploads, but like. But here we go. Final game of the episode. It's against Fulham. You guys are gonna get to see me play against Fulham. My second favorite team in the Premier League. Ronaldo warming up, ready to destroy them. Rip them apart, Ronaldo. Wait, did I start Ronaldo? No, I didn't. I'm a Pratt, actually. I'm a Pratt. Anthony, you can't really let that happen. But Cabano's always a player I want to check out. He has to. He's either a young player or he's an old player. I can't remember. But Sancho's in behind here. Sancho. Oh, he's safe. Sancho is not living up to expectations. Stansfield. Pull him off the ball. Yeah. There you go. Give him some. They're getting dragged out of position here. Sancho. Save Bruno Fernandes. Oh, God, no way. We've not gotten a goal out of that. Varane's there. Varane. What shocking action. Wilson managed to get out. Tyrell Marshall owns you. You're in his pocket, man. You're in his pocket. I didn't trust his abilities, though. There we go. There's that space. Cross it back. Bruno Fernandes. Good try. Good try. Bruno's had 2 shots. I think the keeper's about to buy, but he realized he's a bit of a prat if he did. Please win that. Please win that. There we go, Anthony. Oh my God, where is he going? Sancho. Van Persie. Bang! Oh, it's actually. Oh, short. Short inside. Bruno. Rashford's at the back post. Again, why am I crossing for Marcus Rashford? Cabana. Oh, come on. He's got away from you, Brian. Way too easy. That's ours. He's a player I'm not going to buy him. Maybe not, definitely not this safe. But next year, the first career mode I am doing is a Fulham one. So, it's kind of good to look at their team. The reason I didn't want to do it this year, I want their new kits. I want their new ratings. Because you don't want championship ratings in the Prem. It doesn't work. Really. I mean, they're not enforcing. It's different because I bought Sinistera. That's not a Fulham thing, I think. Because Nottingham Forest want to have to do it. Everyone. They have Ren and Woody. Like, they literally have everyone. Good job. Did they even get that Ren and Woody thing complete? But they were about to get it. There's Anthony. Bruno Fernandes has to score, does score. Bruno scores. Jumps over the corner flag. That is a goal that he has to be scoring, and it's Anthony again. Cross. No, yeah, you're not missing that. And if he does miss that, we got a problem. It's good control. 2 touches. 1, 2. Bruno. I don't know who their keeper is, but did they get Strickland or is that Brentford? I'm so confused. Like the transfers everyone did. I'm kind of yeah, that's a foul. I mean, they're not gonna call it clearly. Yes. No, you missed it. What? Pat Gnocchi. Earlier. Like 15 maybe. 15. Yeah, 15. Teen. That is the half. Bruno. See, it works 1 in every 10. Or is it? Is that this? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is the luckiest goal I've scored in FIFA. Like, mate, what? That is such a shit shot, too. It hits his hand. I feel bad for him. I mean, he did kind of destroy them, but I feel so bad for Fulham. Because we're going to win this. And it's going to be pretty funny. But I am changing sliders. And I'll show you me changing them, so I don't do that right now. Because I want this to be more of a challenge. I don't find this FIFA very challenging anymore. So, if I'm being honest. Pace merchants, man. You just need someone that's fast. I'm really excited for FIFA 2030. But I'm gonna start with legendary. If I win the league, don't know what to do. Cause that will be a bit awkward. That could actually work. Ooh, right there. Serio, he's always been a good midfielder. I just don't think anyone looked at him. No, they don't look at him. We're not winning that. Corner. That's something about Serio. He comes off. Sancho's been pouring this to sitters. Ericsson's gonna come in. Fernandes is gonna stay. I think Ramsey's gonna come for Dallo. The only reason Dallo starts is because he's gonna win that. The only reason Dallo starts is because he starts in real life. Like, I would be starting Ronaldo. It's just not realistic. I mean, if he's insane, like 15 goals, like 15 goals in 30 games, and yeah, I'll keep him in. Tackle. Alessandro. They're pressing. Easy game. Easy life when they start pressing. Don't know. They gotta make their pressing better. Oh my god, I nearly went Ronaldo. Probably should have taken one more touch, and then that would have worked, but it didn't. Ooh, Ronaldo. So then freaking Bio. Chalaba. That's the brother. It's not even the good one. Ronaldo's gonna have a tough time with that. Who is Brighton's manager, by the way? I actually have no clue who it is. Who is their manager? Because it has to be someone good. Because they gotta either go on a massive decline, or they're gonna... Ronaldo. How does he say that? They're either gonna go on a massive decline, or well, they're not gonna be as good as they were. I think they should be accepting it. But the fans should be accepting that. But jeez, like, what do they do? That's what I'm thinking. Like, what are they supposed to do? Because they're not going to go and get Mauricio Pochettino and finish 8th. Like, sorry, Graham Potter's the only person on this planet that would have done that for you. And I think Chelsea have actually made a really good move getting him. I just think, like, it's an investment. Like, not an investment. But it's something for the future, because if it doesn't work, you look like crap. Because what they paid, 20 million for him? That one just look like a crap. No. Why did he blow about 2 now? I think this guy scored pretty early. Oh, they had Gazaniga. They didn't even have a shot. But I'm gonna change the sliders now. Let's make it harder. So I'm going to. I already have it a little bit. Okay, so my pass error is 60. Shot speed. Shot error 70. I want it hard for me to score. I'm gonna make theirs 53, so I'm not going to go about 40. This is the thing. Okay, goalkeeper ability 65. Positioning, marking 65. Run frequency 60. Fullback positioning pretty high. First touch controller, nothing. And for me, I don't want to change mine too much. No, goalkeeper ability 50. Run frequency. Marking 45. That's gonna be difficult. That's gonna be really difficult. Sim to the Southampton game. They drew. Okay. They're 20th. Do I even play this? Yes, I will play it. Not right now. But that will be the end of this episode. First one in a row. How many goals does he have? I'm just checking. 13, 10. All in the Prem. Rashford has 13, but he does have more appearances. So that will be it for this episode. See you guys later. Peace.